In this video, we're going to take a look at some keyboard shortcuts for doing common file commands. These are shortcuts for things that are all on the File menu. If we take a look at the File menu, we can create a new document, we can open a document, we can save a document, we can save it under a new name, we can print a document, and we can close a document. And we're going to do keyboard shortcuts for all of those commands. So the first one is Control N. N is for new, and if I do that, I get a brand new document. And I'm going to flip back over to my original document here. If I want to go open a document, I can do Control O for open, and it brings up the open screen for Word 2013. And I'm not actually going to open a document now, so I'll just hit escape and it takes me back in here. If I want to save my document, the S stands for save, and do a Control S, and we didn't see anything happen there, but it will save the document. Actually, I think the reason we didn't see anything happen was because I haven't done any editing in this document. If I hit the space bar there and now do a Control S, right down here it says it's saving A Christmas Carol, and it's done. Okay, and I'm going to back up and delete that space I put in there. If you want to save it under a new name, there's not an easy to remember keyboard shortcut for that because it's a function key, and it happens to be function key F12. I'm going to press F12 right now, and it should bring up a dialog box for me. And there we go, and it gives me the opportunity to put a new file name in there, and I'm going to cancel that. If I want to print, I can do a Control P for print, and it will bring up the print window here, and I get a preview over here and some settings that I can change that we're not going to look at right now. And all you have to do is specify how many copies you want up here, and then click on the print button, and it will print the document for you. And the last one is, I'm going to do an Alt Tab here to flip back over to that new document that I just created. And if you want to close a document without closing Word, it's Control W, and the way to remember that is it closes the window, but it does not close the application. So I'm going to do Control W right now. And because I never put anything in the document, it did not ask me if I wanted to save the changes or not. Let's try it on this one. I'm going to put a couple spaces back in here, and I'm going to do a Control W to close the window, and it does give me the opportunity here to save the changes. And actually I'm going to cancel that. So those are some keyboard shortcuts for some common things that you're going to do on the File menu. And another nice thing about them is not only do they work in Word, but they work in lots of other Windows applications. So you learn them once, and you can use them over and over again.